You take it?
Yeah. I'm
You're gonna
taping
get some orange gel in your mouth for your gums. Ready? Ready? Ah. No, not your tongue. There you go. Ah. How does that taste?
You don't like it. That's torture, baby. That's mean.
It'll make your mouth feel better.
This is the weirdest look on her face.
Oh, better. You did good. No. I'll blame you.
She's giving you a really serious look right now, man.
Arabella. Hey, honey.